What Koreans Know About BTS's Song, Mikrokosmos, Part 1. The meaning and purpose of life is to cultivate unique individuality by putting your body in unfamiliar places with unfamiliar people in accordance with sacred order. The existence of sacred order explains the nature of life energy, which is to flow smoothly when you're loving your true self and freely revealing it to the world. Our interactions with one another and the world fit in well with the process of cultivating individuality. Reflecting on your appreciation of another person's manifestation of individuality allows you to see in a new light and better recognize your own unique individuality. A quote from Baruch Spinoza sums it up best. What Paul says about Peter tells us more about Paul than about Peter. That's why BTS says, "You allow me to dream of shining brighter. We see each other's starlight." The seeing of each other's starlight could be seen as a metaphor for reflecting on one's appreciation of the other person's manifestation of individuality. Sacred order in the cosmos does not have a conscious aim which it sets out to achieve. This nature of sacred order does not necessarily lead to libertinism among the people with a sense of sacred order. In this philosophical tradition, a free subject is someone who makes choices in accordance with the principle of rising above egocentric thinking to consider the ways of promoting the expression of each and every person's individuality in the universe. This line of thought could be found within the lyrics of the song. We are all saying the same thing. The same thing is a metaphor for the same principle that should be shared by all humans.